Hello everyone, welcome back to Earn More Better Future. Alright, so let's get right into it. Many think building wealth is reserved for high earners or the lucky few. That's just not true. The principles of wealth building are the same whether you're making $30,000 or $300,000 a year. It's about strategy, discipline, and making your money work for you, no matter how little you start with. The real path to financial freedom is understanding a few fundamental concepts and applying them consistently. Today, we'll break down how you can start building wealth, even if you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck. I'm going to show you practical, actionable strategies to change your financial trajectory. We're not talking about wishful thinking. We're talking about a concrete plan. So grab a coffee and let's dive into how you can build a wealthier future, starting right now, regardless of your current income. Let's get started. First things first, we have to talk about your mindset. Building wealth starts in your head, not with a fat paycheck. Many believe they need a substantial amount of money to start. That's a mental block. Wealth is about cultivating the right mindset now. The journey to financial independence is paved with small, consistent actions. You can start with $10. The amount is almost irrelevant in the beginning. What matters is the attitude, the decision to start, and the belief that you can change your financial future. Shift from a scarcity mindset to a growth mindset. Every dollar you save or invest is a vote for your future self. Your current income does not define your potential for wealth. Your habits and mindset do. Get your mind right, and the money will follow. You've got the mindset dialed in. Now, let's get tactical. The first rule of taking control of your money is knowing where it's going. Most people have no accurate idea of their spending. You need to become a financial detective. Use free apps like Mint or Personal Capital, or a simple notebook. For 30 days, write down everything you spend money on. The goal is to give you clarity, not to make you feel bad. Once you have that data, you have the power to make conscious decisions. You will likely find money leaks you never knew existed. Analyze your spending after a month or two. Identify areas where your spending doesn't align with your values or goals. Make intentional choices to cut back on non-essential spending and redirect that money towards building your financial future. You're tracking your money and found places to redirect some cash. Now, build a mini emergency fund. Start with a goal of $500. It's your first line of defense against unexpected expenses. Emergencies can derail your financial plan. That $500 can handle smaller emergencies and prevent you from falling into debt. Consistency is key. Redirect money from cut expenses into a separate savings account. Label it emergency fund and make it a bit hard to access. The goal is to reach $500 as quickly as possible. This fund gives you peace of mind and reduces stress. Once you hit that $500, celebrate it. It's a huge milestone. You've got your mindset right, you're tracking your spending, and you've built that mini emergency fund. Now it's time to tackle high-interest debt. High-interest debt is like a financial vampire, draining your wealth. Prioritize getting rid of this toxic debt. Paying off debt is like giving yourself a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate. There are two popular methods, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball focuses on paying off the smallest debts first for psychological wins. The debt avalanche focuses on paying off the highest interest rate debts first to save more on interest. Pick a method, get laser focused, and start demolishing that debt. Reclaim your financial power and redirect those payments to build your future. Let's talk about automating your savings. Automation makes saving money almost effortless. It takes emotion and willpower out of the equation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on payday. This ensures your savings goals are met consistently. Even small amounts add up over time. Automate your savings before allocating money to discretionary spending. Set up a separate savings account ideally at a different bank. Make saving an unconscious habit. This strategy accelerates your wealth building journey by forcing consistency. Managing your money is critical, but increasing your income is also important. Look for additional income streams. Leverage your existing skills, hobbies, or spare time. Offer freelance services, consider delivery gigs, or online tutoring. The gig economy offers flexible ways to earn extra money. Even an extra $100 a month can make a big difference. Look for opportunities within your current employment. Ask for a raise, seek overtime, or develop new skills for higher paying positions. Increasing your income, even modestly, can supercharge your ability to build wealth. Be proactive and resourceful. Now it's time to talk about investing. Time is more powerful than the initial amount of money you start with. Compound interest is the magic ingredient. The earlier you start investing, the more time for compounding to work. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversification. Platforms like Robinhood and M1 Finance allow you to start with small amounts. Automate your investments just like your savings. Set up recurring transfers and investments. Be patient and let time and compounding do their work. This is how you build long-term wealth. Building wealth is about strong, consistent financial habits. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Make financial management a regular part of your routine. Set aside time each month to review your budget and track progress. Set small, achievable goals along the way. Celebrate these wins, no matter how small. Building wealth is about behavior, not just knowledge or income level. Shifting your mindset is crucial for developing positive habits. Focus on discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. Strong habits create a resilient financial foundation. You now have a step-by-step guide to building wealth, even on a low income. It's about smart, consistent action. We've covered mindset, tracking, emergency funds, debt, automating savings, increasing income, and investing. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your current income doesn't define your financial future. Make conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. Small, consistent efforts compound over time. You have the power to change your financial trajectory. The path to financial independence is accessible to everyone willing to put in the work. Subscribe to earn more better future for more strategies to grow smarter, live better, and build wealth from the ground up. Leave a comment and activate the bell so you won't miss future videos. See you in the next video.